relax and release super you. Here's the thing. It has been shown that self-doubt causes tightness. And professional athletes, for instance, know that being too tight can really inhibit their performance. And they're out there playing for lots of money a lot of times. And what they've learned is that they don't want to be too tight. They want to have just the right balance of alertness, of energy, and so on to perform at their optimal level. And many of us have self-doubt about writing or learning a new skill or coming up with creative ideas or performing in some area of our life. And we create unnecessary tension then, which interferes with our potential. So one of the ideas in step 2 that I love is before you do anything, before you engage in an activity, take time to get still, get quiet, and acknowledge that you don't need to make it happen. You don't need to try, and trying is often a result of a lack of self-confidence. Instead of trying, just make the effort with an attitude of letting it happen. Allow it to happen through you. And so get still and quiet and acknowledge that you're an instrument, that God is the one doing it through you. Jesus the Christ said, "It is not I, but the source within me who does the work." And so you can do the same. When you trust that there's a presence and a power, super you, flowing through you, then you can approach what you're doing with a more relaxed attitude. And you'll find creative ideas will come. You'll find that you'll do whatever you need to do much more successfully. One wonderful affirmation is, divine intelligence is working through me now. Or just simply know, spirit is coming forth. Super you is flowing through you.